Okay, so we got the bike warmed up a little bit, and so now we are going to attempt to drain the oil into this. Now,
I'll hold it for you.
Okay. Now,
it's at a slight angle.
Okay, there it is.
So you gotta.
I gotta switch it, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. And
turn it with your hand. When it gets close, just use your finger so you don't get your rinse all oily.
maybe I can. No. Alright, now I think it's getting close. Alright, hold on. Because I feel like it's going to come out more to this side.
Got it. Just make sure you don't drop the plug.
Okay.
There's rags on top of there.
Where?
On top of the.
Well, see, that oil was obviously not the cleanest. So, let me grab, a rag, basically, and wipe my hands. Be sure to wash your hands, though, because wiping them off can still leave some oil there. And it's just not that good for you. Make sure to clean off your bolt too, and your plug, like the top piece. We could probably get more oil out of it.
Wipe that down and wipe the hole up here.
Yeah. There's the bolt. It's in here somewhere.
You clean that off good?
Yeah.
Wipe it down one more time.
What, this?
Yeah. And I'll put it on top over here.
Alright.
And wipe that hole down. Looks good. You want to hold the camera and I'll
adjust the bike. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the wind.
More coming?
Yep. Look at him, he's picking up the bike.
It's still coming?
Yeah.
A lot?
No. You could probably set it down. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, it's dripping now. Oh yeah, sorry if I'm filming nothing. Yeah, great value. Get it, spring water. We use that to fill up the coffee machine, right?
Yep. You want to go grab the plug?
Yeah.
And wipe it down?
Yep. And we also have one more cool invention thing that to show you. It's what we use to put our oil in our bike. Where's the plug? Oh, right here. Oh.
Oh, gotta wipe it down again.
Yeah. I know. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait until it stops dripping.
Or just wipe it. It's not gonna stop dripping all the way. Just be quick.
Oh, where's the hole? Okay. Oh God. Oh God.
There you go.
Alright. After a mess, finally got it. It's really slippery, so.
Alright, now you should just be able to tighten it with the wrench.
Yeah, it's all tightened. Nope, it's not. There.
Let me move this out of the way. Get it nice and tight.
Oh, hold on. Ugh. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to use this to tighten it a little bit because it makes it way easier to do. So I'm just going to...
That's good.
There.
Alright, time to add oil.
Yep, and we use this thing. It is actually really helpful because it's got all the measurements and it's pretty much made for dirt bikes, and you twist this for on and off. Of course, it's got a little oil on it for some reason.
Alright.
Can't really see off, but there you go.
Pull the plug and I'll stick it in the bottom.
Alright, so
I not want to come off because it's cold.
okay, oh god, there's oil. At least it's good oil.
Alright, wipe your hands.
Get my hands off, and then I'll go get the Honda oil. So is it in the off position?
Yeah.
Alright, so where am I filling this thing to?
1 quart should be right at the top, right towards the top.
Oh, I see it. I see it. 1 quart, that's more than my other bike.
Yeah, your other bike was 0.6.
Almost there.
Keep going. A little bit more. That's good.
Alright, so we're running really low on Honda oil, but we have 2 more. I think they're 1 quart bottles.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now all you do is you just turn this little switch,
And it should start draining.
and there it goes. So all the oil drops into the tube. It goes into your oil thing.
What you need.
Of course, oil is a thick liquid, like, so it's gonna take a little bit, good minute.
Especially since it's cold out here this morning.
Yeah. But yeah, we're slowly going down. You could just like skip past this part in the video if you want to, because yeah.
We still haven't figured out the editing yet.
Yeah, we still need to do that. So we're almost halfway done.
She's moving faster now. It's just make sure the bottom don't come out.
It's not, it's in there. Okay, so have they seen your bike?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's got a 150. Although he's done some stuff to it, so it's a lot faster now. Like, it's got a lot more power. He's got the filter, he's got the K&G
The NGK.
NGK spark plug.
Iridium.
Yeah, Iridium. And he's done up the jets or whatever. And
Power up kit.
yeah. It's got pro taper handlebars. Those came on it though. He's adjusted the suspension because it was a little weird for him at first. Because, you know, we're not the tallest people. So it's almost done. It's just the last little bit of oil is sliding down. Oh yeah, that oil you can't get out of there. It's stuck in there.
And then get ready with the rag to catch the. Go ahead and cut it off at the top. Alright, put the cap on.
Ugh.
And wipe it off. Wipe the top off.
Yeah, I know. Just trying to get the rag off the bottom part.
And get that little spot on the bottom we got on the ground.
So,
Just grab your dipstick.
and we can always, do you want to see if that one thing will fit?
The jet?
Yeah.
Oh, we can do that later. Yeah,
What do you guys do?
we're doing a video.
So now I'll just put this in. Oh, okay, now I gotta wipe it off.